Good morning, students. How are you all? So, students, get ready. This is your English class, English grammar class. Can you hear me properly? Show me your response. No, English grammar. Okay. Today, we would be continuing with the chapter articles. So, get ready with your grammar book. Shoirik, what are you writing? Okay, get ready. Articles, we already started the chapter in the previous class. There are 3 articles, okay? A and the, isn't it? Jannat and Shoirik, stop talking among yourselves, okay? Within yourselves, stop talking. Five Pine students, this is your English grammar class. So, 5 Pine students, get ready. English grammar. English grammar. So, we will be continuing with the same chapter articles. Get ready. Now, I already told you in the previous class A and the. The is the definite article, A and indefinite article. Okay. So, Ayush, very good morning. Yes. So, the is the definite article, A and indefinite article. And I already told you A and are used with singular number, isn't it? And when we are talking about a person or a thing, isn't it? And A and are used with common noun. Okay. A is used before words beginning with consonant sound and with the vowel sound. Words beginning with the vowel sound and is used. Okay. Now, today we would be discussing. Yes, very good morning. Today we will learn the use of the. We use. Yes, very good morning. When we are talking about a person or a thing for the first time, then we use a, an. But page number 45. But when we speak about that person or thing again, then we use the. Clear? And sometimes we may not have used no. So, for a particular person or thing we use the. Clear? And we also use the before the name of river, name of ocean. Shoirik, stop chatting with your friends. Okay. So, with the names of rivers, okay, with the name of well known building, with the name of holy book, then with the name of some countries. Name of some countries, for example, the USA, the UK. With the name of the river, the Ganga river. Okay. With the name of holy book, the Gita. With the name of epic or holy book, the Ramayana.
Ma'am, page number
45, already I told you. Okay. With the name of newspaper, the Statesman. With the name of trains, the Rajdhani Express. Clear? And also
number 45.
Also we use the with superlatives. For example, the best student, the best student, the last bench.
And why it is the best student?
We use the with superlative. Superlative means good, better, best. Best is superlative. We use
Ma'am,
the.
I can't see the lower part of the book.
Okay, okay. Okay, let me check. Okay. I am writing at the top. The best student, the eldest, eldest son, okay, youngest daughter. We use the with superlatives. Clear? We also use the. We use the with in such phrases like the first boy, okay, the second bench, okay. So, or the next chapter. So, then we use the. Now, come to the exercise number F. Fill in the blanks with A and the. A and or the. Put across where no article is needed. The first one, we have bought dash LCD television set, okay. The first one, number F 1, we have bought dash. Listen Shatik and then listen. LCD, L, it starts with a vowel sound, okay, it starts with a vowel sound, that is why an LCD television set. Number 2, everybody has liked the television set. Number 3, we are looking for a new house, we are looking for a new house. Number 4, the house, okay, in which we are living now is not very spacious. Number 5, all of us admire beauty cross. Why cross? Because beauty is an abstract noun, okay. Beauty, it is an abstract quality. So, number 6, the beauty of Kashmir. Why this time the beauty? Because now we are talking about the particular beauty. We are talking about the particular beauty of Kashmir. That is why the beauty. Number 7, he met with an accident. Number 8, you have made some excellent point in the essay. Clear, students? Abstract noun we can feel, but we cannot touch, we cannot see. For example, honesty. Honesty is an abstract noun. Beauty, okay. Now, number
6 and 7.
Yes, yes.
Repeat number 6 and 7.
The beauty of Kashmir is very famous. Tell me your name. Who is asking?
Soirik Mondo.
Okay, Shoiri. The beauty of Kashmir. Why this time the beauty? Because this time we speak about, we are talking about.
It is a definite place.
Yes, we are talking about the
It is because it is a definite
particular,
place.
particular, yes, the beauty of Kashmir. Number 7, he met with an accident, okay, an accident, an. And number 8, you have made some excellent points in the essay. Clear, Shoirik? Shorik, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, yes,
Ma'am, why not the accident?
where he met with the accident today. You can write the, that is also correct. That is also correct. He met with the accident today or an accident, both are correct. Now, number G. G1. I bought, give me the answer, I bought an umbrella yesterday. The umbrella, yes, the umbrella is made of fine silk. Number 2, she gave me an egg, an orange. The egg was rotten, but the orange was good. Number 3, they are going to build a new bridge here. Okay, the bridge, the old bridge, they are going to build a new bridge here. The old bridge cannot take the load of heavy traffic. Number 4, he lost an arm in an accident. Okay. Next, the accident took place many years ago. Number 5, the principal explained the whole problem to the parents. Okay, the principal explained the whole problem to the parents. Number 6, a small child.
Please repeat question number 3 and 4.
You cannot see the board, student. Can you see the board properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, number 6, a small child stood under a tree or the, both are correct. But his hands could not reach the branches of the tree. There were tears in the child's eye. Clear, students? So, come to number 8. We have to remember, we do not use the with proper noun. We use the with common noun. For example, we can write the city, okay, common noun, but we cannot write the Kolkata. The Kolkata.
Question number 3, why it is crossed?
Tell me your name.
Ma'am, Janat Chaudhary.
Okay, Janat. Now, number, which number you asked? Number 3. They are going to build a new bridge here. Okay. Then tell me, the old bridge cannot take the load of heavy traffic that passes over it.
Ma'am, we can also write A of that cross.
No. If you write load of a heavy traffic that passes, no. Okay. Now, number 4, he lost an arm in an accident. The accident took place many years ago. Number 5, the principal explained the whole problem to the parents. Number 6, a small child stood under the tree, but his hands could not reach the branches of the tree. Number 6, you can write a small child stood under a tree or under the tree. Okay, both are correct. So, as we were discussing, we do not use the with proper nouns and with uncountable nouns. Okay, we cannot write the water unless they have been made particular. We need water for drinking. Okay, the water we use for drinking must be pure. This time it has been made particular, that's why. Okay, now come to page number 48. Insert the in the following sentences. The first one, his uncle lives in the USA. Number 2, the Red Fort, well known building, that's why the Red Fort was built by Shah Jahan. Number 3, in the summer they went on a trip to Alps. Number 4, we went to Delhi by the Shatabdi Express. Number 5, he is the only son of his parents. Number 6, she belongs to,
Ma'am, question 1, I think it will be crossed.
which one?
Question 1.
His uncle lives in the USA. This one.
Ma'am.
Listen students, just now I discussed we use the, okay, with the name of some countries. The name contains a common noun. For example, the USA, okay.
Ma'am, why there is cross in number 3?
In the summer they went on a trip to Alps. Okay, it is not the Himalayas, it is not mountains. Okay. Then number 4 also cross, we cannot write the Delhi. As I told you, we use the with common noun, not proper noun. Okay. Unless they have been made particular. Clear? Next,
Ma'am,
number 6.
But ma'am, here Delhi is also a particular place.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes. Who is here? Switch off the camera. I think it is Ankita.
Shibani.
no ma'am.
Oh, Shivani. Okay. Okay. So, number 6.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes. Tell me.
number G.
Question number?
5.
Number 5. He is the only son. Yes. Yes.
Question number G. Question number G 5. In the first that it will be crossed. Then principal explained the whole problem to the parents.
The principal explained the whole problem to the parents. Yes. So,
There will be no the.
where? Where?
First that.
Listen students, if we write the principal means we are talking about a particular principal, maybe the principal of this school, maybe principal of that school, that's why the principal. Okay, that's why.
Ma'am, for I question number 4, the Delhi is also a particular place.
Just now I explained we use the with common noun, that is city, but we cannot write we cannot use the with proper noun. We cannot write the Kolkata, the Delhi. Just now I explained. Okay,
But ma'am, USA is also a proper noun.
students,
Answer proper now.
I already explained we use the with the name of some countries because the name contains a common noun, that's why. Okay, USA, United States of America, states common noun, that's why the. Okay, USA, United States of America, states, okay, that is common noun. USA contains a common noun, that's why we use the with USA, the USA, the UAE, okay, the UK. Okay, so now number 6, she belongs to the richest family. Number 7. Number 7, I missed the last bus. Now I shall take the next one. Okay. Now okay, so number J. Someone was asking for number I. His uncle lives in the USA. The Red Fort was built by Shah Jahan. In the summer, they went on a trip to the Alps. Oh, sorry, I didn't notice it. Okay. Next, number 4. We went to Delhi by the Shatabdi Express. Next. Hey, why are you shouting? With your sister or with your brother? Okay, now number J. Students, number J.
Ma'am, where did I write number J?
Have some patience. Okay, have some patience. Now, rewrite the following story inserting A, N or D where necessary. So, here a story is given here, we have to insert A and D. Here lines are given, blank lines are given, you will rewrite the story. I am just reading the story. Rover was a smart dog. Rover was a smart dog. This is the first para. Rover was a smart dog, but he had poor memory. One day he was upset because he had lost his bone. He was sure he had buried it under an apple tree. Under an apple tree. But now there was no trace of it. Now come to second para.
Right.
Just now I told, please follow me. Here lines are given, okay. You will rewrite the story with the articles. I am discussing, so just follow me where I am inserting the articles. You will rewrite the story in the blank lines. Clear? Okay. Now, second para. Rover asked all his friends if they knew anything about the bone, but they could not help him. Third para. The butterfly did not know the area. The butterfly did not know the area. Well, the cat scolded him for being careless. Okay. The bear kept on eating honey he had collected and did not even look towards him. Clear? Now, fourth para. Sad and irritated, Rover went to lie down in his basket. Sad and irritated, Rover went to lie down in his basket in the kitchen. In the kitchen. In the kitchen. His master was making delicious pear tart. Rover just loved pear tarts. Pear, pear, he repeated the word. He repeated the word to himself, and suddenly he remembered that he had buried the bone. He had buried the bone under a pear tree, under a pear tree and not an apple tree. Clear? Yes. I repeat, Rover was a smart dog, but he had poor memory. One day he was upset because he had lost his bone. He was sure he had buried it under an apple tree. Under an apple tree. But now there was no trace of it. Rover asked all his friends if they knew anything about the bone, but they could not help him. The butterfly did not know the area well. The cat scolded him for being careless. The bear kept on eating honey he had collected and did not even look towards him. Sad and irritated, Rover went to lie down in his basket in the kitchen. His master was making delicious pear tart. Rover just loved pear tarts. Pear, pear, he repeated the word to himself, and suddenly he remembered that he had buried the bone under a pear tree and not an apple tree. So students, this chapter is completed. Clear students?
Ma'am, it will be the apple tree.
What? You can write not an apple tree or not the apple tree. Both are correct. Understood? You can write, listen, he just remembered that he had buried the bone under a pear tree, not an apple tree, or not the apple tree. Both are correct. Yes? Yes?
Where are you? Ma'am, there is two, ma'am.
Okay. This class is over, students. Bye. Bye, students. Time is over. That's why. Okay? Bye-bye.